Hi, today I'm going to go over how to post our very first project on our Weebly page. And so to start with, we're going to go to Basic Digital Photo and then Projects. We're going to create our scavenger hunt post. So we're going to click on Scavenger Hunt and scroll down to the bottom of the page to Assignment Post Instructions. Number one, edit the images how you would like. And after you are done editing and saving those images, you are going to create a new blog post and title it Scavenger Hunt. So on your Weebly admin page, we need to go onto our daily or your assignment page, which is your blog page, and this is my blog page, and I'm going to go ahead and create an assignment. So we are going to want to create a new post, and we are going to title that Scavenger Hunt. And we're going to be toggling back and forth from our Weebly admin page and the assignment post instruction page on the Scavenger Hunt on my website. And we are going to add a gallery. First time to add a gallery. So over here in the elements is a gallery, and I'm going to drag and drop that into the area that says drag elements here. Once I have that here, I am going to click on upload images, and it says upload file from your computer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on bridge. And from the film strip view where you can see the previews, up at the top where it says film strip here, if you click on light table, this view is really good when you're wanting to select a lot of images. And so remember, our files with the word edit are the ones that we can upload to the internet, and they save our edit into the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold Command on the keyboard, and that will allow me to select all of the edits. And I'm just going to go through and select all of the edits here, and I'm going to actually purposely forget to select one of them, which is this one. Okay. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize by taking this corner down like so that I can see both my bridge screen as well as the internet screen. So I'm going to take and I'm going to click, drag, and draw, and as you can see, you see a little fan of images, and I'm going to pull it over here until I see that plus button, and I'm going to drop them. And down here it says uploading 0 out of 24. And I did forget one, but I did that on purpose. And so as it's loading, and you might notice that your images are uploading not the entire image, and that is a gallery setting, which I will go over here in just a minute. So as this is uploading, I'm going to switch back on here and see what the next step is. Change the gallery settings to columns 5, captions, lightbox, and partial thumbnails. So I'm going to go back here. And it is still uploading. Okay, now that the 24 images are uploaded, and I'm realizing that I forgot one. So I'm going to go ahead and add one in right now, and I'm going to click in this gallery, and it says add images. So that is how I'm going to add that last image. I'm going to click on add images. I'm going to click on then bridge down in the dock, and I'm going to click on that number 25, and I'm going to upload that here. So anytime you add to a gallery, you have to click on add images, and that's how you add that. Okay, so now we're going to change the gallery settings a little bit, because one of the things that we're going to do is add columns. The default is always 3, but there's a lot of images, so we're going to add 5 columns. And what that will do is you will have 5 rows and 5 columns, because we have those 25 images. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go down to caption, and we are going to click under thumbnail and choose lightbox and partial thumbnails. So I'm going to click on that and then click back here and out of this. Okay, if you need to reorder, if an image is out of order, you can simply highlight it so that you see this dark gray caption up above and grab it and reorder it like so. Okay, like that. But this was actually in order, so I'm going to put those back. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to caption these with the number and the name of the images. So I'm going to click on this, and I am going to choose caption, and I'm going to enter a caption. And this one is number 1, looking up, or looking up at something. Looking up at something. And then I'm going to press done, and that caption will show on top of your image. I'm going to click on the next image, caption, number 2, looking down at something. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to capture all of these, caption all of these. Okay, now that I have all of them captioned with the number and the name, I'm going to go back onto my website and see what's next. Add a text element below your gallery of images. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to add a text element underneath my gallery. Oh, and added it above it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this white section, and I'm going to pull under until I see that blue line under, and I'm going to go ahead and drop it. And now it moved that text from above to below. And that's how you do that, is grabbing that white thing there. Answer the reflection questions. So I'm going to type reflection questions. And I'm going to create a numbered list. And you can copy these if you'd like and paste them here, and then simply type the answers. I wonder if I can do that and then unnumber that. There we go. You can do that. Did you using a DSLR come naturally? I started to get the hang of it about halfway through taking the scavenger hunt images. Changing the ISO. Makes sense now. And make sure you spell check. There we go. Oh, that didn't really work because look, it has a 1 and then a 1. So if you put the questions, just make sure you type after them, and then it will keep the numbered list. And you could like bold that or underline the question, and that way it's easy for me to see. Or you can simply not write the question and just answer it like that. Okay? Once you are done, you are going to want to make sure that you post, even if you did not get all the way done. No matter what, I want you to post, because something is always better than nothing when you turn things in. So I'm going to post this, and you can then see it showing up right there. Okay, awesome.